Dito sa sitwasyon na ito, we are again being held hostage by goals set by the administration. Gusto nilang mapababa yung poverty rate, gusto nilang maabot yung Millennium Development Goals na marireduce yung ating poverty percentage. Pero mali ang priorities na ito. Ang conditional cash transfer ay hindi solusyon. In fact, it promotes the attitude, the mentality of mendicancy. Kasi dole out. Meron na tayong kasabihan, paulit-ulit na itong sinasabi natin, instead of giving fish to the poor or to the underprivileged, we should teach them how to fish. Pero itong conditional cash transfer ay merely doling out fish. And it does not empower people to look for opportunities or to give them skills or to give them opportunities to find jobs. Dahil hindi nga yan ang tinitignan. At dahil na-hostage na nga tayo dito sa conditional cash transfer at sa mga goals ng Aquino administration, napabayaan natin na sakripisyo, naging biktima ng hostage-taking ang services. Tulad ng edukasyon, tulad ng basic services for health. Kaya, tinitignan natin na dapat i-scrap itong conditional cash transfer at tignan itong perang ito na mailipat, ma-realign doon sa basic services. Kasi, aside from the fact that it promotes this attitude of mendicancy, it also will put us in heavy debt again. Kasi uutangin naman itong perang ito at babayaran yan ng mamamayan sa mga taon na darating. Kaya hindi mabuti na nakatutok lang tayo dito sa conditional cash transfer, which is a continuation of a program na ginawa noon na hindi naman na-evaluate kung ilan talaga ang mahihirap na nakabenepisyo nito.